sinamahan ako ni David. The last drop. Looks nice. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday and we are heading to my dental clinic kasi may appointment ako today. Sinamahan ako ni David. So I have a cleaning today and adjust ng braces ko. Naglakad lang kami kasi mga 25-minute walk lang naman siya. And mas mabilis compared to maghintay kami sa bus. So, yes. Medyo maganda ang weather today, like mga 23 to 25 degrees. Hopefully later, after my appointment, nag-plan kami ni David kahapon na magpamassage. Kasi sobrang sakit na ng katawan ko sa kaka-duty, guys. Pero mahal, so we're trying to think about it before we do it because it's quite expensive. Gutom ako, guys, kasi hindi kami kumain ng breakfast kasi nga may dental appointment. So medyo nag 2 sips of coffee lang ako. Anyways, we're here. I-update ko kayo mamaya. See you in a bit! Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Nando's and we just ordered our lunch. Kasi sobrang gutom na kami, mga 12 something na ako natapos sa dental appointment ko. So, ayan. Tapos na yung aking adjustment. Now, we're just waiting for our order. Dito na lang kami kasi malapit lang. And then, meron silang rice. So, rice and chicken. And sides ng chips, as they call it here, yung french fries, corn, and yun lang. So, yeah. Hopefully, hindi masyadong matagal. Kasi, guys, gusto na kami ni David. Guys, our order is here. This is our whole platter. So they have chips, rice, corn, and the chicken. Yeah. Gamay rang rice. Guys. Konti lang yung rice. Baka makapag extra rice kami ni David. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is July 8th. It's Wednesday and it's currently 11:09 in the morning. Sa wakas, off na tayo. Today is my first day off after my 3 long days. So I worked long days Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So far, my shifts this week has been a lot better than my shifts the previous weeks. I felt like I had a little break from intensive care. I was still in intensive care technically, but I was with patients who are not that sick, if that makes sense. It only goes to show na sometimes in life, kapag medyo too much na, you need to step back a little bit and have a little break. And now I feel so much better. Like after just having that break from very intense na mga shifts, I feel so much better na, guys. So today, we're going to probably do our grocery kasi wala nang pagkain dito sa bahay. And but I need to film content for another PR that I received. I'm so thankful because this summertime, ang dami kong PR na nare-receive. I really love Korean skincare. So, pag nagre-reach out sila sa akin, if I want to try the products, hindi talaga ako nag-hesitate, guys. This brand that I collaborated is from Beauty of Jason, and from my Get Ready with Me's na ito talaga yung sunscreen na ginagamit ko lately. Like, look how much I've used it up, like talagang to the last drop. This I bought for myself from Boots, and they sent me 2 new sunscreens. Thank you so much. So this is the one that I use all the time. Ayan. And this is the other variant of that same product. This is the Aqua Fresh Relief Sun. So it's better for people na merong oily type of skin like me. I've used this na this week, and I do like it. It does sit on your skin very quickly. Kung ayaw mo ng like greasy feeling. Ito namang isa, yung original nila. It does not leave you with a greasy feeling, but if you compare the consistency between these two, ito yung medyo mas creamy siya. I also have another brand, yung in-unbox natin last week na from Anua. It's my first time collaborating with them. And I've tried yung mist nila, yung Anua na mist. It's really nice. Sobrang like fine ng mist niya. And then it's quite refreshing, especially now na mainit dito sa London kasi summer nga. So it's like 30 degrees right now. This one, I've also tried it during the night, yung kanilang azelaic acid na redness soothing serum. So I'm gonna keep using this because I have a lot of redness. Ito naman, moisturizing cream. Ayan. Ang super nagustuhan ko dito is yung applicator niya kasi magpo-focus ba ang camera? Basta ganyan siya, guys. So like it's so easy to apply and also very sensitive, skin friendly. I'm going to be posting content on TikTok with those products, and then after that mag-grocery kami ni David. We'll see where the day takes us kasi maganda nga ang weather, so we don't know kung anong plans. But I just wanted to quickly show you. Ito pala yung nabili ko sa Victoria's Secret, guys. Tingnan nyo. This one is Pure Seduction Shimmer. Medyo may light shimmer siya, which I like. And then this one is yung Velvet Petals nila. Guys, as in sobrang nostalgic ng amoy nito kasi I remember dati nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, kapag kunyari may auntie na galing abroad na umuuwi, ganun. Usually may pasalubong na Victoria's Secret. Like very nostalgic ng scent niya. It reminds me of a place. Alam niyo ba yung feeling na ngayon? A certain scent reminds you of a certain time in your life, like in my childhood. Ang bango niya. I really like it. If you're like into fruity scents, floral scents. Ganun kasi yung mga peg ko sa mga perfume. I bought 2 for 24 kasi kung isa 20 pounds, 2 for 24. So, dalawa na lang. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly share that one. Hi guys, we're just getting ready na. Post ko na yung content natin for one brand. So, happy na ako meron tayong na-achieve this morning. I also just shot another content for another brand that I really love, yung sunscreen nila. So, yun yung gamit ko right now. Yung pinakita ko kanina from Beauty of Jason. So, wala tayong makeup today, guys. Sunscreen lang kasi sobrang lagkit sa labas. So, I'm just getting ready. Napakita ko na to sa previous vlog ko. Yung nabili natin na bag, summer bag. Very cute. We're not gonna bring our trolley kasi kakain na lang muna kami ng lunch kasi 1 p.m. na, guys. Wala pa kaming kain. Nagkape lang kami this morning. Kasi we actually went to Light School from 9 to 10. Meron silang sports day. After noon, we went home and then yun nga, nagawa ko ng content. Pero hindi pa kami kumain ng anything. So medyo gutom na kami, guys. Let's go na at maghanap tayo ng lunch spot. Let's go! Guys, naka-order na kami. Dito kami sa Itsu. So, we have chicken teriyaki. Ayan. Meron tong rice. And then, naubusan na sila ng salmon and abo na sushi. So, ito na lang yung binigay ni Kuya. Looks nice. Sobrang gutom na namin, guys. Meron silang binigay na fortune cookie. Let's open it later. And then, miso soup. Kasi gusto ni David ng soup. So hot. Parang gusto ko munang i-tie up ang hair ko, guys, kasi sobrang init, guys. Ayan, kain na tayo, guys.
Hindi ka kuha.
Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Masarap yung chicken teriyaki nila.
Look niya, panig-panig.
Wala kaming chopstick. Sushi. Spicy pala siya. Lami yun. I don't know kung gutong ba lang ko o lami din siya. What do you think, David? Is it good? Masarap to siya, yung parang merong carrots na sushi sa loob. Ganyan guys, parang gusto kong uminom ng sobrang lamig na juice. Parang dito, ay di giniling mo lang ba ng luto? Gagawin lang ba? Gamay lang. Yan na pa yung garlic. Dito na kami sa Lidl, guys. Kuha tayo ng hotdog, yung favorite ni Light. This one. Masarap to na hotdog. Frankfurt toast.
Breakfast na dahil kumang.
Price cut. Wait. Gamay lang. At, mutuyok siya. May research sila ito. Dito kami sa random aisle, guys. Kasi minsan merong maganda dito. Sila tanan din. Hello guys! I'm back. Time check, it's already 7:01 PM and magluluto pa lang ako ng dinner, guys, kasi naglinis ako ng bahay. Sobrang kalat ng bahay namin. Anyways, that's done. Our ulam for tonight is giniling. Bumili ako ng minced pork kanina sa Lidl and I have all the ingredients here. Meron kasi akong bagong na-discover na TikTok account na mga tutorial about cooking Filipino food. I'll pop the account here kung in case gusto niyo ding mag-search ng mga ulam ideas. So, nakita ko yung recipe niya for giniling and it looked really delicious. So, yun ang gagawin natin tonight. And then, nakabili ako ng fruit cocktail sa Lidl. Gonna try this one. Kasi parang nung isang week, nag-crave ako ng Filipino fruit salad. So, I want to make Filipino fruit salad. Just gonna make dinner and then let's do the salad later. Para naman meron tayong pang-kontra sa init ng panahon. Slice na muna tayo ng onion and garlic. Sakit sa mata, guys, ang onion. Anyways, I'm gonna wash na the veggies kasi yung sa tutorial is nag-pan fry muna siya ng vegetables. So, let's watch this one. Ouch. Get the peeler and let me peel the vegetables. So, potato lang naman at carrots, guys. Minsan nakita kong recipe, pa-square lang naman yung ano, pero hindi siya ganun kaliit. Yan guys, mainit ang mantika and we're gonna pan fry na the vegetables. Ayan, just enough for them to like maging crispy sila. Let me get my phone kasi andun yung ating recipe. But nilinis ko din ang aming living room, guys. And so far, yan ang ating living room. Andito na din yung dining room namin sa gilid. Gusto ko pang bumili actually ng malaking painting here. Isang like malaking painting para hindi boring tong wall na to. Kasi yung ibang mga walls namin, madami ng mga anik-anik. Table to ni actually ni Light, and we've been planning to get like a proper coffee table para dito sa space na to. Like probably circular. Pero wala pang budget. So yan na lang muna. And ayan ang ating mirror. Hi! And by the way guys, ito in-order ni David sa Amazon. Pero tingnan nyo naman, it looks very cozy. Especially kapag at night. Pwede mo palang ma-on and off yung ano niya. Ma-appreciate mo siya kapag very dark. Ayan. Diba? So cozy. Balik na tayo sa kusina. Signal luluto natin. Ayan. Let me close the door para hindi mag-amoy pagkain sa aming kwarto. Kasi open yung door sa kwarto. Tingnan ko lang ulit yung recipe. Kailangan nating ma-achieve, guys. I think okay na to, guys. So, hanguin ko na sila. Okay, and now, we're gonna put our onion and garlic. Open na natin tong ating minced pork na may 15% fat pala to, guys, yung binili ko. And then, the recipe actually calls for 4 tomatoes, pero dalawa lang ang ilalagay ko. Hopefully, it doesn't change the taste too much. And let's flatten it, guys. So, ayan na, ready na ang tomatoes. Let's put them. Hello guys! Update. So, nalagay ko na yung veggies. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's looking good! Same naman siya. Parang na-achieve naman natin yung finalo natin kanina, guys. I tweaked a little bit sa ingredients. Like, I added a little bit of tomato paste kasi konti nga lang yung tomato na nilagay ko. And then, simmer ko lang siya for I think 10 minutes. But, let's see first kung actually okay ba yung flavor niya. Nilagyan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce like the recipe said. Okay. I think it really does taste good na. Gusto ko lang siyang maybe add ng 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce and some salt and pepper. Okay. Actually, 5 minutes na lang, and then let's taste it again and then see kung okay, kung happy na tayo after 5 minutes. Alam mo, kapag nagluluto ako, guys, gusto ko yung clean as you go. Ganun din ba kayo? Kasi ayoko kasi yung nagluluto ako tapos after ko magluto, madaming hugasin. So, I usually like clean right after or like while naghihintay, hinuhugasan ko na yung mga ginamit ko sa pagluto. Yung mood ko talaga, guys, is affected talaga siya sa state ng bahay namin. Like, kapag off ako, tapos yung bahay ay magulo, parang hindi na ako mapakali, guys. So, kailangan malinis ang bahay para, you know, you can relax. After neto, magdi-dinner na kami. And then, maliligo ako kasi sobrang init talaga, guys. Especially kapag nagluluto ka, as in, sobrang init. Mag-prepare na lang ako ng rice for Light kasi para hindi na siya mainit. Ayan ang rice natin. Ooh. Nothing beats a newly cooked rice. Luto na ang ating ulam. Let me show you. Ayan guys. I added 1 last tablespoon of soy sauce. I like the recipe itself. Tadaan! Kain na tayo! Let's eat dinner na! Come on! Let's eat dinner. Did you help Dada fold the clothes?
I think I just watched.
Nge. Nakalimutan ko pala kanina, sabi ko gagawa ako ng fruit salad. So, gawin na natin siya. Ito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Actually, kasi gumagawa lang ako ng fruit salad kapag Christmas. Pero, dahil nga summer dito, parang nag-crave ako ng something cold. Ayan yung nabili kong 2 fruit cocktail sa Lidl. Didrain lang natin to. Ito lang yung binili ko, double cream. Usually kasi nilalagay ko is yung all-purpose cream. I think ito yung equivalent niya. Tapos, meron akong condensed milk. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong difference nito kasi magkaiba yung kulay nila, but they both say fruit cocktail in syrup. Meron siyang peach, pear, pineapple, grapes, and cherry. In syrup siya guys, so ayoko kasing masyadong matamis din kasi lalagyan pa natin siya ng condensed milk. Lagyan natin siya here. Yes, and then let's open the double cream. Mix lang natin siyang ganyan. And then, let's open our condensed milk. Tikman ko lang siya guys kung okay na ba siya sa tamis. Konti lang. Good. Let's just put this in the fridge. And then, pwede natin kainin mamaya. And then, lagay ko na lang to ng lalagyan para hindi masayang. There you go. Let's just wait a few minutes na medyo mas lumamig yung fruit salad natin.